The horns can never be too heavy for a cow that bears them. Your ability to brave the odds, to be here today amidst security challenges, is a true testimony of your determination and commitment to move Jakiri forward. Distinguished honorable councillors, fellow people of Jakiri, I am exceedingly glad to welcome all of you to this ordinary session today to examine and vote the budget for the 2021 fiscal year. This is a clear testimony, a clear demonstration of the love and concern that you have for the people of Jakiri and for our dear and beloved country, Cameroon. A few months back, you took a decision which remains in the mentorship of succeeding generations to come. The political twist came like a joyous daybreak, which ended long nights of economic stagnation and underdevelopment. The noble and sublime decision you all took will be adequately compensated, for as you have put in place committed people conscious of the future and the challenges of the people of Jakiri. Dear councillors, you gave us the ballot to transform the salient misdeeds of social and economic stagnation into calculated good deeds of orderly citizens who will meet up with your expectations. You gave us the ballot. We will fill our administrative offices with men and women of probity who will restore the long-lost smiles on your faces. You gave us the ballot. We will place ahead of our administration people who have felt not only the tongue of humanity, but the glow of divine. We will provide you with strong moral and courageous staff and leadership for a situation that cannot be evaded. I have the conviction that we will, as what God has put together, no one can put asunder. I know we live in an era of political divide, Anglophone brouhaha, but we must meet hate with love, as it is only through love that we can succeed in changing our detractors to friends. It is only through love that we can change the world. Dear councillors, every step towards development requires sacrifices and tireless exertion and passion concern of the dedicated individuals. I have a dream. I can see the light at the end of the tunnel. The task ahead of us is enormous, but I know we will succeed if we only work in unison and with the fear of the Lord. No man is an island. Nobody is all-knowing. Reasons which we have to work together with one voice and keeping aside our political differences. For the few months I have worked with you, I know who is who, but all I can say is there will be no food for the lazy man. The time for blame game is over. The time for political bickering is over. We now have a common goal, which is that of the development and working hard to restore peace and stability in Jakiri without regard to our divergent political philosophies. Change doesn't rule in on the wheels of inevitability, but comes through continuous struggle, determination, commitment, and sacrifices. So we must straighten our backs to work for the good of our community. You all know we only exhausted the budget voted by others. The time is ours, and you have to show your worth by working relentlessly for the success of our team, the Dream Team. In spite of the political challenges, we have been able to engage the following ongoing projects. Construction of a block of 2 classrooms at GS Station. Construction of a block of 2 classrooms at GS Mbokam. construction of a nursery school block at GNS, Mantul, construction of a toilet block at GNS, Yeh, construction of a toilet block at GS, Mboka, construction of a housing tent at Government Bilingual Primary School, Jakiri, rehabilitation and maintenance of the rural road Jakiri Lip Mbokam, construction of the Honey Collection Center Phase 2 in Vekovi, the rural electrification of Wasi Village, the rural electrification of Kam Village in Vekovi, rural electrification of Minsai Village, construction of a youth supervision center in Jakiri, construction of a nursery block at Government Nursery School here, construction of a bridge over Shunui River. Our 2021 budget is pregnant with a number of life-transforming projects given our cooperation with our development partners and the Presidential Reconstruction Program, which is geared towards revamping major economic activities in our municipality. There is high hope that Jakiri will be transformed into a small heaven, God willing. On this note, we thank the head of state, His Excellency, President Paul Biya, for his economic, cultural, social policies. Dear councillors, for us to realize most of our projects, we will therefore present to you some deliberations that will enable the Lord Mayor to obtain a loan from FACOM to finance the following projects: solar panels on our major roads, on our major streets, some palaces, markets, churches, mosques, and other public places to the tune of 244 million, and only 15% of this amount shall be refunded. The construction of a modern market in Jakiri amounting to 350 million to refund only 65% of the amount for a period of over 16 years. Purchase of a council service vehicle amounting to 30 million francs CFA. Concerning the 2021 budget, which is our focus today, it has been elaborated in accordance with the regulations in force. It balances in both revenue and expenditure at the sum of 585 million CFA. It has witnessed an increase of 107,247,000 francs, equivalent to 18.33%, up from 477,753,000 for the 2020 year. The main sources of revenue for its realizations are council additional taxes, the Common Decentralization Fund, transferred resources from the state, and other developmental partners. The total operating revenue stands at 316,500,000 francs, representing 51.1% of the total projections, while the investment and equipment revenue stands at 268,100,000 francs, representing 45.9% of the total projections. On the expenditure part, 264,626,088 francs has been allocated for operations, and 320,373,912 francs allocated for investment, representing 45.2% and 54.8% respectively. Personnel cost takes 82,101,088 francs, representing 31.02% of the operating cost in respect of the financial regime of the regional and the local authorities. The major projects to be carried out in the 2021 budget will cost about 268 million. These include the supply of electricity network from Roundup to Kwamsok villages, the rehabilitation of some nursery schools, maintenance of youth supervision center, creation of a town green, creation and maintenance of rural routes, supply of drinking water, maintenance of roads and realization of related works, rehabilitation of the Wasi Health Center and supply of medical equipment to 2 health centers, construction of the Kisijam Health Center, and the rehabilitation of 2 blocks in government bilingual primary school, Jakiri. Dear councillors, my brothers and sisters, your determination and the courage to be here once more touches me deeply in my heart. It is now clear that we will no longer wait only for the government nor the military to solve our socio-political problems. After all, it is our society, our children, and our region. Nobody chooses when he is born. Nobody chooses the generation in which he is born. Nobody chooses the family in which he is born. And nobody chooses the country in which he is born. Only God knows why. It is for this reason that we should learn to solve our problems by ourselves. I am therefore calling on the sons and daughters of Jakiri to come home while advising those that are still holding arms to drop them and to join us. Civilized people solve their problems with the pen, through dialogue, and not with bombs and bullets. There is no winner or loser in any war. We have lost so many Cameroonians, and the socio-economic consequences of the crisis are enormous. This is the time to stop the war against one another and wage a merciless new war against hunger, ignorance, poverty, insecurity, unemployment, ill health, and underdevelopment. We will have to destroy broken bridges and build new ones, build new roads and maintain the existing ones, build classrooms, and allow our children to go to school, as the only weapon we can use to change the world is education. It is the fundamental right of every child to go to school. We need sufficient potable water everywhere throughout the year. We need to fight darkness by putting solar panels in some of our streets, in our palaces, markets, churches, and other public places, given the means at our disposal. We can only be efficient if we are tolerant, work in a serene atmosphere, free to go and come, free to express ourselves, free to associate, and free to choose our leaders. Long live Jakiri Council, long live the Republic of Cameroon, long live His Excellency President Paul Biya. God bless us all.